Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep squirrels out of your bird feeders for good. This video will explore everything you need to know to keep these pesky rodents away from your bird food, so stick around for the best guide. Ensure the bird feeders are away from trees or objects. Squirrels can jump very far, enabling them to reach bird feeders from trees. Use a wire or string to create a line between two trees and hang the bird feeder at the center. Squirrels will have trouble walking on strings to reach the bird feeder. When hanging or mounting your bird feeder, check for any potential objects or structures that squirrels can jump from to access it. It should be positioned away from other objects to minimize the opportunity for squirrels to reach it. Use a pepper-based repellent. Pepper is a safe and natural squirrel deterrent because squirrels despise the smell, but birds cannot detect it. Use a pepper-based repellent on your bird feeder. Grease the poles. Apply petroleum jelly to your bird feeder's pole. This will make it very difficult for squirrels to hold on to the pole and make them unable to climb. Mount a baffle. A baffle is a device you can include on bird feeder poles to prevent squirrels from eating bird food. It is a cone shape to make squirrels slide if they try jumping on the bird feeder. A baffle can deter squirrels from accessing the bird feeders from above or below. It is made of smooth plastic that squirrels cannot grip. Use squirrel-proof bird feeders. Some bird feeders are weight-sensitive feeders and shut when a squirrel lands on them. Use a feeder that closes the feeder ports due to extra weight. Birds are lighter than squirrels and cannot activate the closing mechanism. You can enclose your bird feeder in a mesh cage with openings that can only fit small birds, but not squirrels. Hang your bird feeder high on a pole. Squirrels are excellent climbers. Therefore, hanging a bird feeder from a tree branch is not ideal because they might reach it. Mount your feeder on a pole and ensure it is well installed and firm in the ground. Hang the bird feeder out of reach. An appropriate height is at least 6 feet from the ground. Remove access points. Check for any easy access points that squirrels can use to jump to reach the bird feeder. Ensure there is nothing on the ground that they can use to jump from. Use a seed tray. Place trays under your bird feeder to prevent seeds from falling to the ground. These seeds can attract squirrels that may move to your bird feeders due to the spilled food. So, there you have it. Keeping squirrels out of your bird feeders for good should be an easy task. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.